Right, so every time I'm booting my computer up, this desktop notepad thing keeps popping up with this message on. So I've done a search online, and this is supposed to be the cure. So you gotta open the command prompt, run it as administrator, and run both of these commands. So we've got enough battery to do it now. Okay, well, I'm not sure if anything worked there, but let's try and restart it. I'll just turn the OBS off. Well, it's restarted. It's usually up by now, especially since I've had time to boot up OBS Studios. So looks like it's cured it, which is good because it was a pain. I'll give it 30 seconds. Yeah, I'd say that's cured it. Oh well, that's good. I'll stop this.